Hey everybody, this is Miss Falkenberg. I am just giving a little video overview, basically tasks for the week, with a little bit of review built in. For Wednesday, March 25th, I've put in an assessment. It's not graded per se, it's graded for you to see if you understood. It's conceptual questions and a few quantitative questions for you to work through. So take a look at that. But what I would say for Thursday and Friday is I want you to work through these homework problems from Gene Coley. They'll do a good job of working through angular quantities, constant angular acceleration, and rolling motion. It'll be a good review of what we've done prior to spring break. So since that's 6, 8, 10 problems at 5 minutes per problem, I know that's maybe low estimate. That's about 50 minutes. So to me, with the assessment, a quick 11 question thing, that's for Wednesday. And then for Thursday and Friday, I want you to work on the homework for rotational motion. And ultimately on Friday, at the end of the day, I want you to take a picture of your homework so I know you've been doing it. So I am avoiding the video conference as far as seeing my face, mainly because I have started to get attacked by all the bugs down in Florida. So a little bit of sunburn, a little bit of pockmarks, as far as little red marks all over, so we're going to spare you of that. What I'm anticipating is for you to utilize that time to work on homework problems and also the conference time for you to ask questions. So that's the plan for the rest of this week. I hope that goes okay. I believe you're probably okay with that. Ultimately, that's it. And in my second famous words, one down from self-regulate, is I hope you guys are well. I hope to see you soon, even if it's a video chat. And again, I hope you're getting it out. We do live in Missouri, where we do get to go in some open air and find a field, find something to mix things up, and hopefully you get along with your family. I've got a dog that's waiting for me back in Missouri, so that'll be interesting. Anyways, I hope to see you soon. If not via video conference, one day we'll be back in class together. Talk to you later. Bye.